Hey guys, it's Kuji, and today in this video we're gonna show you how to put on the frame sliders on the Aprilia RS 660. What we have here is my new bike, so I'm trying to get as much protection for the bike as possible. We're gonna show you the whole process. I've heard that it's pretty difficult. I haven't seen any videos or tutorials on how to do it, so this video is meant to just help you guys out, help anyone else out with putting those on. And the brand of the sliders is Evotech, as you probably saw in the title. So if you got those and you wonder how to put them on, we're gonna show you. Here are the things that you should receive in the box. We're gonna of course have to mount it, but basically just some parts that you need to mount together and some screws as well for doing that. The next thing that you need to know is that 2 longer screws are going on the side with the clutch, while 2 other screws are going for the other side. And one more thing, 2 longest screws are going for the sliders itself. So just to summarize it very quickly, because we looked through the footage, it seems like it was pretty chaotic. So now we're gonna walk you through which screws you should remove. When it comes to the side panel, we have 4 screws. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are the only screws that you need to remove on this side panel. Then if we move on to the front, right here next to the screen, we have another 3-4 screws that we need to remove, and we will point them for you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And after you remove the panel with the screws that we just pointed, there's gonna be another screw under it that you need to remove. Then on the front of the bike, we need to remove 3 screws on each side to get to the radiator. They are located in this area right here. We have a better picture to show you guys, but it's just 3 screws. Okay, you guys, we managed to remove the fairings on the clutch side. What you want to do, probably to make it easier for yourself for later, you just remove these parts together. There's no reason to separate them. To do that, we had to remove 3 screws that are down here. One of them, it's very hard to get into, so we used something very creative like this, so that it doesn't take much space and you can just reach that screw easily. With just the screwdriver, you wouldn't be able to do it. Then also we removed some 4 other screws that were in this area up here. We're gonna show you the pictures, so you should have all the information. Yeah, we're gonna keep going. Okay, now that we have the fairings out of the way, we need to remove also 2 engine bolts. One of them is here, right here. The other one is right here. Okay, so we mounted it now properly. We removed those 2 screws, as I mentioned, and now what we need to do is put the longer screw that we had for the clutch side in this hole, while the shorter one goes here. And so now what we want to do is screw those into the frame of the bike at 50 Newton meters. Okay, so we managed to get the frame slider in. At first we had some problems since we screwed those 2 screws very tightly, so there was no movement possible at all. So what you want to do is probably do not tighten those up very much, so that you can just move it anytime you want to or need to, because for us it wasn't fitting and it took us a long time to figure it out. So don't make that mistake. So now we're gonna just screw those 2 screws in and make those smaller screws a bit tighter. Okay, you guys, so on this side we do pretty much the same thing. Besides, we need to remember to put this little thing that we got in the box, right here. We need to put it inside the frame itself. Nice. It's very hard to do it now because my bad. So we put it inside the frame and then we can screw it in. Okay, so we put the frame sliders on other side as well. We did pretty much same thing. this is the longer screw, this is the shorter screw for this side. So you put this little part under this frame slider into the frame basically. And as I mentioned, we did not do that because unfortunately with this screw the threads are shredded. They are just, the screw is just, yeah, not getting tight at all. So we decided to not put it, and this way it's holding on a bit better. We need to definitely fix it. I'm gonna talk to Aprilia dealership so that they fix that for me during next service. Okay, so now the next step is to put actual sliders into the frame of the frame sliders. I don't know how to call this part, but let's call it a frame. So what you want to do is put the longest screw that you have and this little part here. This goes into the frame itself, frame slider, and then this way you're gonna put it on top of the screw. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So this whole thing gonna go right here, and you want to screw it in at 45 Newton meter. Okay, you guys, and the sliders are on. Very excited also the fact that the bike gonna be now more safe. So that was the process. I hope that you were able to follow along. If you have any questions, just write them down in the comments below. We're gonna also link those sliders for you in case you want to purchase them. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I have also all my gear and other stuff for recording linked in my description, so check that out, and wish you an awesome day and see you.